students, I am Nityanand Upadhyay and I am going to teach you computer science, and today we will face Python Fundamentals Season 4. In this one, we will learn about the operators. Operators. What are operators? So operators are tokens that triggers some computation when applied to variables and other objects in an expression. Means these are the smallest unit of a program that used to calculate when applied on variable. These are used to perform calculation. In other words, you can say operators are special symbol which are used to perform any operation on their operands. Now the different kinds of operators available in Python are as follows. Arithmetic operators. These are used to perform all types of arithmetical operation on their operands. The two types of arithmetical operators are unary operator and binary operator. Unary operators. The operators that act on single operand are called unary operators. It can be used as postfix or prefix in any expression. There are two unary operators. Unary plus, it is also called increment operator. It increases the value of its operand by 1. Unary minus, it is also called decrement operator. It decreases the value of its operand by 1. Now binary operators. The operators that act on two operands are called binary operators. Binary operators are addition operator plus, subtraction operator minus, multiplication operator, asterisk, division operator, slash, floor division operator, double slash, and modulus operator, percent sign. So these are binary operators, and I want to remind you about the unary operator. Whenever we used unary operator as postfix, so they can change the value of their operand after the particular expression in which they have used. And if we use the unary operator as a prefix, so they used to change the value of their operand in the same expression. Please notice this was about unary operator. Means if we are used a unary operator as a postfix, so they used to change the value of their operand after the expression. And if we use a unary operator as a prefix, so they change the value of the particular variable in the same expression. Now here again focus on binary operators. These are binary operators: addition operator plus, subtraction operators minus, multiplication operator, asterisk, division operator, slash, floor division operator, double slash, and modulus operator. Now exponentation operator. It is also available in Python. Now augmented assignment operators. These are used as shorthand to assign a value in operator. Now operation x plus equal to y means x equal to x plus y, y minus equal to y means x equal to x minus y, x asterisk y equal to y means x equal to x multiplied by y, x divided equal to y equal to x by y, x floor division equal to y means x equal to x floor division y, x exponent equal to y means x equal to x exponent y, and x modulus equal to y equal to, means x equal to x modulus y. So these are some shorthand we can use in our programming to assign a value. Now relational operators. The relational operators determine the relation among different operands. Now operator, less than operator, greater than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. These are relational operators available in Python. Now logical operators. The logical operators are used to fix a condition based on relational operators in expressions. Now operators AND. It works with two expressions and return true only if both conditions become true. Means it works with two expressions combined with relational operator, and if both conditions becomes true, only and only then, and will return its result as a Boolean value true. Otherwise, if any one of the particular condition become false, so it will return false as its result. Now OR. It works with two expressions and return true if both or only one condition become true. Means it provides us option. It also used with two expressions combined with relational operator, and if the both particular relation becomes true, then it will provide true. If only one condition becomes true, also then it will provide its result as a true. But if and only if the both condition becomes false, at that time it will provide its value as false. Now not operators. It works with a single expression and return the reverse value in respect of condition. Means if condition is true, then it will return false, and if condition will false, then it will return true as its result. So these three logical operators are there: AND, OR, and NOT. Now identity operators. The identity operator are used to check if both the operands reference the same object memory or not. It returns Boolean value as result. The identity operators are is and is not. These are used to define either you can say the equality. These are used to define the equality if the two variables are equal or not. Okay. Now membership operators. The membership operators returns Boolean value as result. It evaluates that whether the given variable is available in sequence or not. The membership operators are in and not in. These are used in string and list to check either an element is the member of a string or is it a member of a list or not. Okay, so these are two membership operator. Identity operator and member operators are part of only and only Python language. So that's all about the operators. I think this was helpful for you. Thank you, students.